you beautiful people.
Hey, you beautiful people.
Hey you beautiful people.
Hi, beautiful people.
Hi, hey you beautiful people. This is your girl M. Sweva Hanzala over here. Welcome back to Poplands.
Baby, you're a rolling star. Baby, you're a shining spark. You are. Baby, you're the queen of my heart. Baby, what are you made of, my girl? My girl.
Before watching the video, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hi, auntie. Hi, बेटा. वैसे बड़ी दिनों बाद दिख रही है तू. थोड़ी पतली नहीं होगी? हाँ? हाँ नहीं तो कुछ बोलोगी भी कि हंसती रहोगी. हाँ नहीं हॉस्टल में रहती हूँ ना, इसलिए थोड़े खाने की वजह से घर का खाना नहीं, इसलिए. अच्छा वही तो मैं बोलूं भाभी, हॉस्टल का खाना बच्चियों को बनाता दीवाना. अब याद आए आपके अम्मी जान आपको. वो छोड़ो, क्या पढ़ रहे हो हॉस्टल में? कॉमर्स आंटी. बीकॉम. क्या पढ़े? बीकॉम. कॉमर्स. नहीं कुछ नहीं हुआ. दाद भूल गई है बच्ची पढ़ने के लिए मैसूर में कॉमर्स पढ़ रहे. साइंस नहीं था नहीं. हमारी बेटी साइंस पढ़ रही है. हाँ बैंगलोर कॉलेज में बेस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी रैंकिंग आई. हाँ JEE में. इंजीनियरिंग. अच्छा सेम होता लेकिन साइंस कॉमर्स. और बच्चा क्या कर रहा भाभी? मेरा बच्चा हाँ वो अभी तो आज पढ़ रहा है. उसका एडमिशन हो गया है, अभी 1 हफ्ता हुआ. आज पढ़ रहा है आर्ट्स. आर्ट्स पढ़े तो भी अच्छा है, लेकिन साइंस कॉमर्स छोड़े जाने. अच्छा ले माँ जाती हूँ, मेरी बच्ची गाँव से आ रही है वापस. थक गई हल्दी. साइंस इंजीनियरिंग यूनिवर्सिटी. बच्चा अच्छा पढ़ेंगे देख ले को आज लिया. इधर उधर फिरता कि कैसा पढ़ता कि नहीं. हाँ ठीक है देखती हूँ. हाँ मेरे चलो बाय. हाँ ठीक है बाय बाय. मैं बहुत महान बन रही हूँ. No, not like that. So what's up people? Which degree is the best according to you? ये सब नहीं चाहिए तो ये सुनो. कॉमर्स बेस्ट है या साइंस बेस्ट है या ह्यूमैनिटीज? देखो अभी भी लोग बात कर रहे हैं, पीछे लोग बात करते रहेंगे. The only thing I want to say is, see, there are 3 streams: science, commerce, humanities, जिसको हम आर्ट्स कहते हैं. So science has basically major subjects: physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, and computer science as usual. And commerce is subjects like accountancy, business studies, economics, statistics, and mathematics as well. And last but not the least, हम सबका favorite, just kidding, humanities, जिसको हम arts कहते हैं इंडिया में, has great and major subjects like history, literature, arts, different languages, psychology, criminology, and geography. ये सबको पता है, वो मुझे भी पता है. These streams, these major subjects and all. What really does matter is, do you know literacy rate? Huh? The proportion of the adult geographic population aged 15 years and over who are literate in the given region, area or the country. This is the meaning of the literacy rate. क्या हो सकता है इंडिया का literacy rate? The literacy rate of India estimated around 2022 is 76.32% and estimated in 2024 according to brainly.in is 85.95%. These are the literacy rate of India according to 2024. मैं ये बात रखना चाहती हूँ कि men and women are given equal opportunity in today's generation in India, and I'm talking about the whole world in this generation 2024. So what I am saying is, even today when you Google it, you have the less percent of women having the literacy rate. That is a different topic we're going to talk about. That is not the topic that we're going to talk about in this video. So the thing is, I'll give you example. क्या example? I'll say you like that everyone knows about it or नहीं पता तो I'm saying you. The former Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, had a honors degree in natural science and उनका interest था politics, economics, history and literature पढ़ने का. क्यों? These are the major subjects of commerce and humanities. He had interest in that. Let's talk about the richest person in the world, Elon Musk. Elon Musk is the CEO, right? Chief Executive Officer of SpaceX and Tesla car company. So he has a bachelor's degree in physics and economics as well. Subsequently, economics एक commerce stream का subject है and physics is the major subject of science stream. What I am trying to explain you here is every stream matters equally. It just depends on the particular person who is taking that stream. Yeah. Why to take Elon Musk? Let's take the richest person in our country, India. Chairman of Reliance, right? Industries, Reliance Industries. He has a bachelor's degree in chemical engineering, which is engineering, of course, science stream को belong करता है. And he has a master's degree in business administration, which belongs and which is a major subject of commerce stream. Abhi batao. Just stated this 4 person, and there are many more people in this whole entire world that I can go on stating. Students पे बहुत असर होता है when someone comes straight to their faces and say in a very like dismay manner कि commerce, arts, science. Oh. Our country needs lawyers, chartered accountants, engineers, doctors, teachers, and these are not the only 5 major occupations in our country. There are much more. Like you just do what you love. And thank you for watching. If you do like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. It is just, please don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. Bye. Lots of virtual hugs and take care. See you until the next video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to Pop Puns.